Hey, in this video I'm going to be taking a look at a new plugin from Kit Plugins. They reached out to me to see if I would be interested in checking it out, and I said sure, and it is the BlackBird N73. So it's an emulation of a Neve N73. I was really impressed with the N105 version 2, so I'm going to just try it out on a track here on guitars, bass, drums. So I'll let you hear what the track is at the minute. So at the minute it's in decent enough shape. I'm mostly using the Vertigo Sound VS3 and VSE4, but I'll add in the Kit plugins after the compressor. Very nice user interface, auto gain. I'll switch it to mic mode. That's a pretty big difference straight off the bat. One of the things about 1073 emulations, I have the UAD version and the Slate version. The UAD version I find overly aggressive, and the saturation is not always that pleasing. The Slate version of the Preamp I find too subtle. The Plugin Alliance Lindell one sounds okay, but I really only like the preamp part of it. So, I don't know. I'm interested in what this one's going to sound like across the mix already. I mean, it's quite a big difference on the snare there. So, I'll keep adding it on to... I'll try the bass next. So it's a little bit fiddly to use the mouse to drag, but actually if you just hover over it, it's pretty straightforward. So it's counterintuitive, it seems to go in the opposite direction that I expect it to when you're clicking and dragging. Sounds great though. What I find with Neve plugins, a little bit goes a long way. seems quite a bit louder. So it's definitely a very characterful EQ. What I'll do is I'll put these all on the same track and then I'll do a bypass globally. Okay, so all I need to do now is select the tracks that I want. And then link the channels. Link inserts just. And then when I bypass this one, it bypasses all of them. So you'll be able to hear the A-B difference whenever these go grey. So yeah, it's a pretty colorful EQ, but definitely the same sort of quality of an emulation as their previous N105, which is also a Neve plugin. But this one's a bit more aggressive sounding. This one I think is really nicely suited to acoustic music. So yeah, this one definitely well suited to rock music and stuff with a bit more attitude. This one I think is suited really nicely to cleaner styles of music, like acoustic stuff, but they're both very good. It's kind of difficult for me to get excited about EQ plugins these days, but these two are some of the best, so definitely check them out. Yeah, hopefully you found this video helpful, and I'll be back with more soon. Cheers.